1. Remove the problem stone and all stones next to it. 2. Dig down into the ground about 3 inches. If you're not that strong, rent a bobcat, a small excavator, to do the job. 3. Backfill with 2 inches of coarse stone to allow proper drainage. Even out as level or close to level as possible. 4. Backfill with 1.5 inches to 2 inches of coarse sand or fine gravel. 5. With a 2x4 or a straight board, scrape the top layer smooth using a level to guide you. Let the sand sit slightly higher than the base of the other patio stones to allow for settling. 6. Place the patio stones back in their respective places. 7. Use some sand and a broom to fill in the gaps between the stones to keep them from shifting when in place. This also helps by reducing the weeds from growing up between the stones.